Okay, right. Good morning, students. So today's class on JE material, page number 419, question number 33, chapter mathematical induction. See question number 33 given Sk is equal to sum of k terms equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on k divided by k given. So you are going to simplify if s1 square plus s2 square plus and so on s10 square is equal to 5 by 12 into a. So what is the value of a they are asking. What is the value of the a they are asking. So sk is given, how much given? Sk equal to, so 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on k means what is the summation? The summation should be k into k plus 1 divided by 2 whole divided by k. So these two k values cancel. Remaining sk is equal to k plus 1 divided by 2. So like that you have to take all the values. So s1, so k is equal to 1 substituted, what happens? s1 comes. So s1 square plus s2 square plus s3 square plus and so on sk square equal to 5 by 12 into k. So s1 means k is equal to 1 substituted, what happens? 1 plus 1 divided by 2 means 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 divided by 2 means 1, remaining 1 square. Remaining 1 square is that. The next one is s2. K is equal to 2 substituted, 2 plus 1 means 3 by 2 whole square. Next one is k is equal to 3 substituted, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 by 2 means 2, 2 square. Plus and so on. What is the last term? What is that last term? So yes, 10. So 10 plus 1 means 11 by 2 whole square equal to 5 by 12. So k is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 10 we substituted, we are getting this sequence. It is equal to 5 by 12 into 8. So in that every term by 2 square up to end is there, up to the last term 2 square is there. So 2 square value is what? 4. So 4 you should count. So 1 by 4 is common. So what happens this value? 2 square. So this is 3 square. This is 4 square and so on. This is 11 square. It is equal to 512 into 5 by 12 into 8. So 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus and so on 11 square. This is the sum of squares of terms up to 11 terms. So first term not there. So you have to add and subtract the value. So 1 by 4 of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on 11 square minus 1 square. Added, subtracted. It is equal to 5 by 12 into 8. So first this is what? Sum of squares of 11 terms. Sum of squares of 11 terms formula is what? Sum of squares sigma n square value is what? N into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 divided by 6. So there you have to substitute n is equal to 11. So 1 by 4 of 11 we substituted. What happens? So n is equal to means 11 into 11 plus 1, 12 into next 11 into 2. So 11 into 2, 22, 22 plus 1, 23 divided by 6 minus 1 square is 1. It is equal to 5 by 12 into 8. 5 by 12 into 8. Again, it is simplified and modified. We are getting, it is cross multiplied. So A is equal, cross multiplied here, see 4 ones, 4 threes. So remaining 5 by 3. So 5 by 3 bring into right hand side base, so 3 by So 3 by 5 bracket of, so what happens that value? 6 ones, 6 twos. So 11 into 2, 22. 22 into 23 into minus 1 means what is that value? 505. That value is 505. So it is simplified. How much this value? 101. So A is equal to 303. A is equal to 303. That is our solution. That is our solution. That is our 33 question. 33 question. 3 naught, A equal to 303, our solution. Note down. So next question. Next question. Next question. 34. Question number 34. So what given? The sum of first 15 terms of the series. So 3 by 4 whole ratio 3 plus, so 1 into 1 by 2 whole ratio 3 plus 2 into 1 by 4 whole ratio 3 plus and so on. It is plus 3 cube plus 3 cube plus what happens to next value? So 3 into 3 by 4 whole ratio 3, it is equal to how much that value given? 225k. So what is k value they are asking? This is the sum of 15 terms. Yes, 15 is equal to 225k given. So see this value. Yes, n you consider this value. So 3 by 4 whole cube plus. So this is a simplified what happens? So 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 by 2 whole ratio 3. Next, this is also simplified. 4 into 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 by 4 whole ratio 3. So this is a 3 cube. Next value, 4 into 3, 12. 12 plus 5, 15. 15 whole ratio 3 plus and so on. This is SN I consider. So is there any value common here? Is there any value common here? Is there any value common? 3 by 4 whole ratio 3 common. As n is equal to 3 by 4 whole ratio 3 is common. 3 by 4 whole ratio 3 is common. Here remaining 1 cube. Here remaining 2 cube. Here remaining 3 cube. Here remaining 4 cube and so on. They are asking how many terms and so on. They are asking only 15 terms. So S15 equal to 3 by 4 whole ratio 3. So 1 cube plus 2 cube and so on. Cube means what is that value? Sigma n cube. Sigma n cube value is what? S15 equal to 3 by 4 whole ratio 3 into sigma n cube means n into n plus 1 divided by 2 whole square. So there you write n is equal to 15. So what happens now? S15 already equal to 225. So this is Sn only. 255k is equal to 3 cube means 27 divided by this value 64 into n value 15 substituted, 15 into 16 divided by 2 whole square. So this is 8. So remaining simplified. 225 means 15 square into k equal to this. Everything is simplified. What you got? Everything is simplified. What you got there? 27 into 15 square is remaining. So 15 square is cancelled. So k is equal to 27. K equal to 27 is your answer. K is equal to 27 is your answer. This right hand side, everything is simplified. We are getting 27 into 15 square is remaining. So 25 means 15 square. 15 square cancelled. K is equal to 27. 7 is your answer. Not all fast. Next one, 35. 35. 1 by 2 into 2 by 2 divided by 1 cube plus 2 by 2 into 3 by 2 divided by 1 cube plus 2 cube. So options given. So here S1 value what happens? S1 value is what happens? 1 by 2, 1 means 1 by 2. So S2 value is so 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 divided by, so 1 plus 2 cube is how much? 1 plus 2 cube is how much? 10. 10 this value. So this is 1 by 2 plus 3 by 20. So LCM is 20. How many times? 10 plus 3. So 13 by 20. S2 value is 13 by 20. S1 value 1 by 2. Now verify. First option, n is equal to 1, substituted, what happens? That is so 1 plus 1 square. 1 square means 1 by, so 1 plus 1, 2 square means 4. So second option, so n is equal to 1, substitute 1 by 2 cube means 8. Third option, so third option is what? 1 by 2. So option 4. Option 4 is what? 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So n is equal to 1 substituted. I am getting two options. So we'll go for n is equal to 2. N is equal to 2. You check only third option. So what happens? Third option. What happens? 2 is substituted. 2 by 2 plus 1 3. 2 by 2 plus 1 is 3. Maybe once again you check 2 cube is 8 plus 1. So that value 3 by 2 divided by 10. Not getting that. Wait 1 second. 35. N is equal to 2, we are getting the correct answer, means n is equal to 2. So S2 may be wrong. S2 we are getting the wrong. 1 plus 2. Maybe you are getting wrong answer, means S2 you are getting here 2 by 3 only, not that much. 2 by 3 only, not that much lengthy. 2 by 3 only. So option 3 is correct. Option 3 is correct. 36 also same problem. 36 also you check this sigma 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on n square divided by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on n. Then what is the value of sigma here? See, sigma 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square and so on n square is nothing but what is that value? n plus 1, 2n plus 1 divided by 6 whole divided by, so 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on n means n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So n value cancel, n plus 1 cancel, 2 1s and 2 3s. Remaining sigma 2n plus 1 divided by 3. 2n plus 1 divided by 3 only there. So this one you have to expand the sigma. So first you 2 by 3 sigma n, 2 by 3 sigma n, 1 by 3 into sigma 1, sigma 2 by 3 sigma plus sigma 1 by 3 into sigma 1. You should expand this one. You should expand this one. Sigma 2 by 3 into sigma n means what? N into n plus 1 divided by plus 1 by 3 into sigma 1 means n that value. So here 2 get cancelled. LCM is 3. So n into n square plus n into 1 n plus n. So answer is n square plus 2n divided by 3. So option 1 is correct. Option 1 is correct. Option 1 is correct. Option 1 is correct. No verification, I did it directly. No verification, I did it directly. Next. Thirty-seven. So what is our question? 1 into 2 square plus 2 into 3 square plus 3 into 4 square plus and so on. N into n plus 1 whole square divided by so 1 square into 2 plus 2 square into 3 plus 3 square into 4 plus and so on. N square n plus 1. It is equal to how much? So verify with n is equal to 1. Verify with n is equal to 1. See in that last value substitute what happens. In that last value what happens in that solution. N is equal to 1 substituted here, what happens in that value? So 1 plus 1, 2 square means 4 divided by 1 plus 1. So you are getting the solution is 4 by 2 means 2. N is equal to 1 we substituted. Where we got 2, that is our solution. See first option. So first option you see what is given. First option 3n plus 5 divided by 3n plus 1. N is equal to 1 substituted 3 plus 5 divided by 3 plus 1. So 3 plus 5 is 8. So 3 plus 1 is 4. This is 2. So option 1 is correct. So option 1 is correct. Option 1 is correct. Otherwise you check second option. What is our second option? So 3n plus 1, 4 by 8. 4 by 8 is what? That is 1 by 8. So option 2 is wrong. Option 2 is wrong. Option 3 also you didn't get. Option 4 also none of this. So option 1 is correct. Option 1 is correct. Next one, 38. 38. What given? 1:4 divided by 1 into 3 plus 2:4 divided by, so 3 into 5 plus 3:4 divided by 5 into 7 plus and so on. What we are getting that value? n/4 divided by 2n plus 1, 2n minus 1. 2n plus 1, 2n minus 1. So substitute n is equal to 1. What happens that value? 1/3. N is equal to 1. Substitute that value is 1/3. See that first option. See n is equal to 1. Substitute. What happens? 1 into 2 into 3 divided by 6 into 1 means 6. So we are getting 1. So in second option, so 1 into 2, n is equal to 1, substitute 1 into 2, so that is 3 divided by, so 6 into 3. So this is a simplified, you are getting 1/3. So option 2 is correct. It is a simplified, we are getting 1/3. So option 2 is correct. So no need to check third and fourth. There are no fractions. That's why no need to check those two. You have to verify first two options only. Next, 39. 39. See, 1/1 into 2 plus 1/2 into 3 plus 1/3 into 4 plus and so on up to n terms. So n is equal to 1 taken. What happens? The first value 1/2. See the options. So first option is 1/2. Second option is 1/2. Third option is 1/3. Fourth option is 1/4. So again we have to check first two options. 1/2, S1 is equal to 1/2 came. So what happens? S2 value you check it. S2 value. So S2 value, see outside you simplify 1/2, 1/6. LCM is 6. So this is 3 plus 1 means 4 means 2/3. So S2 value is 2/3. So you have to check these two options with n is equal to 2. So first option becomes what? Here 2 is substituted 1/3. So second option is 2/3 we are getting. So second option is correct. So like you have to practice 40 also. Forty, 41, 42, 43, like that you have to practice. Next you see question number 45. You see. Question number 45 you have to see. So what is that 45? One plus 6 plus 9 of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square divided by 7 plus 12 of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square divided by 9 plus 15 of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square. So and so on divided by 11 and so on up to 15 terms. Up to 15 terms, what is the value? Up to 15 terms, what is the value? See in that numerator value. So this is 6 is multiple of 3, 9 is multiple of 3, 12 is multiple of 3, 15 is multiple of 3. So you can write this value. So 3n of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus and so on 15 square divided by what is remaining? 7, 9, 11 means what is the difference? 7, 9, 11 difference is 2, 1 in a, so the numbers are in AP. So the numbers are in AP means what happens the nth term? What happens the nth term? 2n plus 1. That nth term is 2n plus 1. Now apply that formula. 3n, apply that formula, sigma this is Tn, you have to take Tn. Simplify. So 3n into, so 1 square, 2 square, n square means what is the formula? n plus 1, 2n plus 1 divided by 6 into this value, 2n plus 1. So 2n plus 1, 2n plus 1 cancel. So divided by remaining n into n cube. So n cube plus n square divided by 2. N cube plus n square divided by, that is Tn. So Sn is equal to sigma Tn. So sigma sigma n cube plus n square divided by 2. Now you should expand this. 1 by 2 sigma n cube plus sigma n square. You should expand. So expand and substitute n is equal to 15. You will get the solution. Expansion you see. Yes, n is equal to 1 by 2 of n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 divided by 6 plus sigma n cube means n into n plus 1 whole divided by 2 whole square. Sigma n square means n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Now sum of 15 terms required, n is equal to 15, you have to substitute 1 by 2. So 15 into 16 divided by 2 whole square plus 15 into 16 into 31 divided by 6. Then simplified we are getting S15 equal to 7,820. 7,820 after simplification you are getting. After simplification you are getting. So in numerator value C, it is multiple of 3, so 3n. So this value 1 square plus 2 square plus 3, nth term is what? 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, so n square. So divided by 7 plus 9, 7, 9, 11 means the terms are in AP. So nth term, so 2n plus 1. So this is a Tn. It is a simplified, we are getting n cube plus n square divided by 2. So then Sn is equal to sigma Tn. So sigma Tn value substituted. Sigma n cube means this. Sigma n square means that. So I required only 15 terms of sum. N is equal to 15 substituted, simplified, we are getting 7,820. You are getting this value. Next question number 50. Next question number 50. Question number 50. Sigma R is equal to 16, R equal to 30. So this is R plus 2, R minus R plus 2, R minus 3. So generally sigma value is, so expand this one, R square, so minus 3R plus 2R minus 6. So sigma R square minus R minus 6. This is expanded. So R is equal to 16 to 30. 16 to 30. So this sigma value I am writing, sigma R is equal to 1 to 30. We know that 1 to 30 it is equal to sigma R is equal to 1 to 15 plus sigma R is equal to 16 to 30. Okay na? This one. We know this much only. They are asking this one. They are asking this one. So you bring here this value. So this value can be written as sigma R is equal to 16 to 30. It can be written as sigma 1 to 30 minus sigma R is equal to 1 to 15. So these two you subtract, will get the solution. So sigma R is equal to 1 to 30. So what is that value? R means R square minus R minus 6 minus sigma R is equal to 1 to 15. R square minus R minus 6. Now R is equal to 1 substituted, what happens this value? 1 minus 1 minus 6. What happens that value? Understand this separation. We know that R is equal to 1 to 30. It is equal to R is equal to 1 to 15, 16 to 30. So I require this value. This value means subtraction of these two. Subtraction of these two. Subtraction of these two. Now sigma R is equal to 1 to 30 R square sigma R is equal to 1 to 30 R minus 6 sigma R is equal to 1 to 31. You expand and simplify, will get the solution. So R values we have to substitute it, we'll get the solution. What is the answer? We expand, we'll get the solution. What is that answer? 7,780. We expanded like this, 7,780. 7,780 we are getting the solution. Like this, expanded minus sigma R square 1 to 15 minus plus sigma 1 to 15 R plus sigma 1 to 15 6. So you expand this one, we are getting the solution 780 80. Sigma r square means what is the formula? R into r plus 1 2n plus 1 by 2r plus 1 by 6. Sigma r means what is the value? R into r plus 1 divided by 2. This is n. So this is also same formulas. In r place you substitute 30, will get the solution. Here you substituted in 3 values, you substitute 30, in 3 values you substitute 15, will get the solution. Next 51. 51. 51. S of k is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus and so on. 2k minus 1, it is equal to 3 plus k square. Then which of the following is true? Then which of the following is true? So k is equal to 1, you substituted, what happens? So S of 1 is equal to 1, RHS value 1 value 1, so 3 plus 1 is 4. So this is value LHS we are getting 1, RHS we are getting. So S1 is correct and S1 is correct. S1 is equal to 1. In S1 is equal to 1, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ? LHS value LHS equal to 1. RHS is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು? Same like mathematical induction ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ತದೆ? k is equal to 1 substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 4 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. So S1 is not correct. So by the principle of mathematical induction can be used to prove the formula. So Sk not equal to S of k plus 1. So same like that you have to check last point, means last point is correct. S of k is equal to S of k plus 1 is correct. S of k plus 1 is correct. How it is correct? You take this value, that is you consider Tn. Tn is equal to 2k minus 1. 2k minus 1. It is Sn you apply, what happens? Sn you can apply. Sn you can apply, what happens? Not like that. S of k plus 1, what happens? You check 1 plus 3 plus 5. Even ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. First condition is wrong and so on. 2 of k plus 1 minus 1, it is equal to 3 of k plus 1 whole square. So what happens? 3 plus k square plus 1 plus 2k. So 4 plus, this is what? 4k plus 1 whole square. So last condition is satisfied. Last condition is satisfied. So what is that? Sk equal to S of k plus 1 only satisfied. First condition is wrong. Next, by the principle of mathematical induction can be used to prove the following formula. So that is also wrong. So S of k not equal to S of k plus 1. S of k plus 1. So k plus 1 is added, means what happens? This value in this place 2 of k plus 1 minus 1. What happens? This is simplified to 2k plus 2 minus 1. 2k plus 1. So adding on both sides. Adding on both sides. 2k plus 1. So what happens? This is take RHS value only. 3 plus k square plus 2k plus 1. So it is nothing but k plus 1 whole square. 3 plus k plus 1 whole square. So S of k plus 1 is this one. S of k is this one. So both are same only na. So S of k equal to implies S of k plus 1. This will be correct. This will be correct. So fourth option is correct. Fourth option is correct. Okay, thank you all. So remaining questions in next class. So from 52 onwards in next class. We will discuss 52 onwards in next class.